You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, and we'll be looking at how to say more Latin expressions as well that are useful in English. This is used to describe a date that is before the year 0 or the birth of Jesus Christ. Generally said simply as AD, it stands in Latin for Anno Domini. Anno Domini meaning in the year of the Lord. Anno Domini. So that's what AD, as in, for example, 500 AD stands for Anno Domini. But most people simply say AD. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.